Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out a new mascara. Mascaras are one of my favorite products to try out because I'm very picky, but this here is the new Revlon So Fierce Lifted High Volume Mascara. Eyes wide open with conditioning cannabis sativa hemp seed oil. So I got this from Walmart. I accidentally got it in the shade black brown, but I'm not too mad at that. I usually try and get like the blackest black shade of mascara, but I am kind of excited to switch it up a little bit and try out this black brown. Realistically, you probably won't even be able to tell a difference between this shade and a regular black mascara. But at Walmart, this cost $7.97. I'm so intrigued by the different price points that drugstore makeup can have at different retailers. Like at Ulta, this is $10.99. So that's like $3 more. That's a huge percentage more. So I did a recent new makeup that I could find at Walmart haul, and this was in there. And if you haven't seen that video yet, that's up here on my YouTube channel. And I had so much fun. I'm really into trying out Walmart makeup now because I feel like I can get the best prices on drugstore makeup there. And so many fun new products were out right now. And so I love that this has nourishing ingredients in it and that it's supposed to be lifting. And I have very straight lashes and I'm always trying to find ways to lift and curl them. I know I could literally just get a lash lift, but then I wouldn't be able to really test out a mascara like this. But I'm hoping this will give some lift and curl to my lashes along with great volume. I actually was a little confused at first because Revlon makes a So Fierce mascara, but this must just be like the new version that has the cannabis sativa hemp seed oil in it. And so first things first, let's see what this wand looks like. Oh, the formula definitely does look noticeably brown, which is probably good for me because I have such light hair. But wow, this is a very interesting looking wand. It like spirals and it gets very, very short in the middle. Interesting. Very curious how this is actually going to work. But here you can hopefully kind of see that spiral wand. Very different. Now it's time to see how it is on my lashes. Usually I would curl my lashes, but I did not do that today because I want to see how this is alone. And wow, this actually gives a lot of volume to the lashes right away. This wand, it has a lot of open space to it, so I feel like it just kind of holds a lot of product. So it dispersed a lot of product right away. Like what I have on my lashes right now is what some mascaras take literally at least 3 layers to get. And I love when I can build up a lot of volume right away. Okay, that actually looks awesome. And you can slightly tell that it's brown, but it just does a good job of darkening my lashes anyways. So I don't know, from a distance it does kind of just look black, but a little fun to have some brown mascara thrown into my mix. This also definitely seems lengthening, like it really coats all of the lash from root to tip, and the lashes are staying separated. So they look very fanned out, like I have a lot of lashes, which is exactly what I want it to look like. I'm blown away right now. Literally, I could stop right here because I love how my lashes are looking. Usually, I'm very into layering and layering, but this right here is actually already ideal. Wow. It looks so good. No clumping, so many lashes, such great volume, such good length. Not too much curl, but I could use a lash curler and enhance that. So while I wait to still go ahead and try layering this up, even though I don't actually feel like I need to, I'm going to try this out on the lower lashes. A little nervous that it's going to be messy. But you know what? Not too bad. And it's giving a lot of volume onto these lower lashes right away. And I didn't even dip the wand back in yet. I love this wand. It keeps the lashes separated, but it holds so much product and it just cuts down on how long it takes to do this. And it's really not even messy. It didn't get on my under eye or my eyelid. Wow. Oh my gosh. I am loving this. Gonna go ahead, pick up some more and see how it layers up on the top lashes here. Oh my gosh. It is buildable. And still the lashes are staying separated, not sticking together, fully coated, looking so long. That looks amazing. I have not found a mascara this good in a while, and I have been finding really great mascaras, but this is just everything I want. So look at my lashes. I can do a zoomed in view with it versus without it. I actually almost kind of feel like I can actually kind of like feel it on these lashes because they are so volumized that I actually almost feel like it's very slight, but I almost feel like these lashes are heavier. Wow, I was not expecting this to be like the best mascara I've ever tried. And then to think that it's also nourishing the lashes, which is something I am very into. If you've heard my lash serum routine, I use like 3 at least every day. I'm very obsessed with nourishing my lashes. So when my mascara is also doing that, that's even better. So you do have to work it through, comb it through a little bit, because since this wand holds so much product, it does go on a little gloopy, but it brushes through easily, so you're still left with separated lashes without clumps. And really, this takes less time than having to layer it and layer it. And I love that it also really shows up on the lower lashes, because a lot of times I'm like, where did my lashes go on the bottom? Like, where did the mascara go? I just feel like it looks like I don't have lower lashes, but this makes them show up so nicely, volumizing. And I got a tiny bit on my under eye here, but overall, surprisingly, not messy. A little bit of mascara on the inner corner part of my eyelid here, but not bad at all. Wow. I'm almost like, I don't need to go in with a second layer. It almost looks a little too much when I keep layering it up. This literally might be the first time I've ever said that it's too much volume on my lashes. Like, this mascara has really blown me away. So incredible. I am just so excited to have this now, and I truly recommend it. I hadn't heard anything about this, maybe because it's very new, but I think this is going to get so much hype and it will be worth it. I truly love this. So if you have already tried it, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.